Oh yes. Oh my god.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Symphonic Studios.
Welcome. Sunward and Buffet to welcome to another new episode.
Of course.
As you know, I go by the name DJ.
Mr. DJ.
Cymphonic. Yes, Buffet to today it's a short one, a quick one, simple one as well.
Of course.
Let me introduce this to you as quick as much as I can. Let's just jump straight to it. Today guys, I'm about to show you how to make your own wave separate, or maybe let me say your own wave stems, right?
Of course.
These guys is mostly likely to be used if you submitting your song for mixing and mastering.
Perfect.
To some of your producers or maybe your mixing engineer, right? Let me just go through to it, how it looks like when you done exporting your stems or maybe your wave separate. Okay, on this project guys, I was mixing one song of another artist.
Of course.
Here,
Perfect.
here these are the stems. Let me just take this one out. Here guys are the stems of the song. They look like this.
Exclusively.
Yeah, these are the lead vocals, backing, drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, percussion, synth, and others. Right. So your stems should look like this. This is the whole song, right?
Perfect.
Yes. This is being used for mixing and mastering. Let's go straight on how you can make this.
Simple.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's just go straight guys. First thing you need to do, you need to just go to your file, go straight to the export button, go to the wave file, select wave. Then it's gonna take you straight to the folder that you're willing to export the wave stems, or maybe the wave let me say yes. Then yeah, after you done selecting the folder, this is how it should look like, right?
Of course.
Then the first thing you need to look after, it's the split mixer track. You're making the splits, right?
Of course.
Not the split like percentage. Yeah, but it's like the wave stems, right? Then you have to select here. Okay.
Of course.
Right. After, the next thing you need to look after, it's up to you that you're about to send the mixed stems, or maybe you're about to send the dry stems. If I'm talking about the dry stems, I'm talking about the stems that they don't include any effects. If you're talking about the mixed stems, we're talking about the stems that are being included with the effects that you were using while you were doing the song, right? Let me say you're about to send the dry one. You have to switch off this button, then hit next.
Of course.
Then here, after you done hitting next, it's gonna export. Okay, after exporting, you done.
Perfect.
Then the next thing you need to look after, you must go to the straight folder that you already created, or maybe you located the wave to go there straight. You're going to the specific folder. You're gonna find the wave separate, or mainly let me say the wave stems. Then you're done.
Simple.
As simple as that. As simple as that.
Perfect.
Yeah guys, clean. Then you can submit this for mixing and mastering for your song. So make sure everything is proper. As simple as that.
Super.
Yes. We're winning. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let me know in the comment section what to do next for you. Let's go. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.